If you're like me, you're in serious need of a fine-tuned lawn irrigation system. Nowadays, there's a plethora of some pretty sophisticated control mechanisms for systems both large and small. A proper watering schedule helps reduce waste and creates a perfect environment for growing green lawns. Unfortunately, schedules sometimes meet reality. Mother Nature can challenge even the best scheduling. There's nothing worse than watering an already soggy lawn. You're wasting money, precious resources, and you're potentially damaging your lawn. Fortunately, there's an embedded solution brought to you with the help of WIZnet's WIZ810MJ Ethernet Controller board. Designer Zach Klobes wanted a microcontroller that could gather historical weather data and forecasts and make intelligent decisions based on that data. He would accomplish this by coding the data gathering on a central web server, then passing a parsed version of the information into the controller. Zach chose Atmel's Atmega 128 processor because of the combination of I/O lines, SPI interface, and large quantity of embedded RAM. To prototype the design, he began tack soldering wire leads to the board and attached a 4x16 line LCD display, a 2-bit rotary encoder, a relay interface board, and of course the WIZ810MJ Ethernet controller. The weather forecasting and rainfall totals come from the National Weather Service's FTP server. Zach explains that some Linux shell and Perl scripts are responsible for gathering the data and parsing out the rainfall totals. This gets stored as plain text files on a Linux web server. The PHP script running on an Apache web server takes care of guiding the owner through configuring the sprinkler controller. A second PHP script ties all of the information together into a single downloadable file that is requested by the WIZ810MJ Ethernet controller. I encourage you to take a look at the complete project to see how it's programmed to interact with the weather data to create a smarter, inexpensive irrigation system with amazing control. Be sure to visit CircuitCellar.com for schematics and code for this project and many others.